Hi students, welcome to my new video. I am Mr. Ajit Ghatige, lecturer of Mechanical Department, CB Kore Polytechnic, Chikkodi. Today we are going to learn about jet propulsion and jet engine. First, we should know what is propulsion. The term propulsion means moving forward. If the object moving forward is called what? Propulsion. So when the work output of the gas turbine plant is used to produce the high velocity of jet by using it may be hot gas or steam, this jet is used to propel the vehicle in which systems are mounted. So if the vehicle carrying some systems and that vehicle is moving some by means of jet, it may be from steam or from the gas, that is called what? Jet propulsion systems. So initially the jet propulsion engine is not in the form of nothing but what? Internal combustion engine. It is one of the internal combustion engine in which hot gases are produced by means of combustion of fuels. By burning the fuel, we can produce hot gases in the jet. That's why it is called what? It is one type of internal combustion engine. And whatever fuel is burned, after burning the fuel, hot gases are produced. We can say generally smoke. That hot gas is used to move the vehicle forward by converting that hot gases in the form of jet, the vehicles will move in forward. Means, as we know, Newton's third law, there is for every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. So that law is applied in jet engines. So when the hot gases is exhausted through the small nozzle which produce a backward force, or we can say thrust, that thrust is used to move the engine forward, or you can say jet engine move forward. This is regarding the jet propulsion. Now let we go for ramjet engine. So figure shows you what? Ramjet engine. So first we should know the parts of this engine. So first is supersonic diffuser, second is subsonic diffuser, then fuel supply, flame stabilizer, combustion chamber, nozzle, and last is exhaust. These are the parts of ramjet engine. So first we should know what is supersonic diffuser. So what is diffuser? Diffuser means what? In which reduce the high velocity compressed air to increase the pressure at slower velocity. Means in diffuser it reduces the high velocity compressed air into high pressure, is called what? Diffuser. Now what is supersonic diffuser? So first we should know supersonic. Supersonic means what? Supersonic travels is a rate of travel of an object that exceeds the speed of sound. Means if the vehicle moving more than sound of speed, that is called supersonic speed. Understand? Means if the any object or any vehicle moving or it exceeds speed more than sound, that is 343.2 meter per second, that is called supersonic speed. Similarly, subsonic, this one means what? If the any vehicle moving less than sound speed of sound, that is called subsonic speed. So that means what? If the any vehicle moving less than speed of sound, means less than 343.2 meter per second, that is called sonic velocity or sonic speed, so subsonic speed. These are the main two parts of in this engine. Now, diffuser means what? Which converts high velocity into high pressure. That is called what? Diffuser, simply. Then, next is fuel supply. This is a device which supplies the fuel into the compressed air. Then, flame stabilizer, which maintain the flame constant throughout the movement of engine. Then, nozzle, which increase the velocity of fluid by reducing the pressure. Then, combustion chamber, in which combustion of fuel takes place and which produces the hot gases or combustion products. Last is to exhaust. Now, working of this ramjet engine. So, when the vehicle move forward in this direction with certain velocity, with the same velocity, the atmospheric air will enter in this engine, like this. And there is a supersonic diffuser which converts high velocity into high pressure. After that, the air will enter in subsonic diffuser in this one. In this one, in this region. And again here, the pressure is increased by decreasing the velocity of air, which is sufficient to ignite the fuel. Means, in this region, the air is compressed by using diffuser. Simultaneously, temperature also increase, which is sufficient to ignite the fuel. After that, the fuel is injected in this compressed air in the form of fine spray, which ignite the fuel, and that fuel is produces hot gases. After combustion chamber, that hot gas will be escaped through this nozzle. So when this hot gas is escaping through this nozzle, which produces the thrust or reactive force, that produces the or that causes ram to move forward. So once I am going to explain the working principle. So when the ram will move forward with certain velocity, with same velocity, the atmospheric air will be enter in this direction. And here there are two diffusers. These are by decreasing the velocity of air, pressure will be increased and simultaneously temperature will be increased, which is sufficient to ignite the fuel. After that, the fuel is supplied in compressed air and the fuel get ignited in combustion chamber by using this flame stabilizer. So after combustion of fuel, the hot gas will be produced. That hot gas is made to pass through this nozzle. This is called a nozzle, which produces the high velocity, and that causes jet to move forward. Means when gas escaping through this nozzle, which produces the reactive force, or you can say thrust force, in opposite to the movement of direction. So that causes ramjet to move forward. The ramjet engines are used to fly at supersonic speeds, and these are generally used in missiles. But initially, a small device or external device is used to start the jet, because this is not self-started engine. Initially, means you can say at the beginning, the jet is started with help of external source. This is regarding the working of ramjet engine. Thank you for watching this video.